Entonces, ¿cómo estás? It's D. Miguel from Las Vegas. This plane is going to move, but we have a stop, so we're going to Houston first before we fly to Baltimore. Also, I forgot something. Wait, I forgot something. So I have to, after Baltimore, then I'll drive to Washington, D.C., where is the capital of USA. I hope I can see the president for the first time.
A water-activated light is also attached to each vest. And when exiting the aircraft, pull down on the red tab at the bottom of the vest to inflate. The vest can also be inflated by blowing in a tube located at shoulder level. Remember, do not inflate your vest until you exit the aircraft. The sides of the front and back exit doors on this plane can be detached.
Also have a shout out.
Federal aviation regulations require.
My shout out is Zombie Boy. His real life name is Omari. He makes awesome videos. And also he made a shout out of me.
Our flight time this morning to Houston is 2 hours and 32 minutes. Thanks for your attention. Welcome aboard.
Well, yes, it's 2 hours, which is kind of long.
2 hours and 32 minutes.
I'll stop the video when I'm going to see the mountains.
Wala silang food, ano?
I makes my son to see the plane view, so he can see. Like, see the window? It's my son.
You need to put down the window now. So say goodbye to your viewers.
Here's the window. It's clear to watch.
Grabe na po.
I just shut down the window a little bit so you can see the view, people in the comments, okay? Make sure. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell for more videos. I have a second shout out. The second shout out is Teresa Haran. His real name is Roman. He's my classmate from school. He likes planes from the sky too. Make sure to subscribe to him too, cause he is my classmate. Also Charles Eibling too, cause he's my science teacher. Closing a little bit for the next step. See that Southwest Airlines? It's flying. But I have to talk about Spirit Airlines. Even though you don't like this airline. But I can handle your thoughts if you don't like this airline. Charles, alright people, don't worry. We're just going to wait for a while, okay? Those things are empty. Now here he goes. ID Cave, this is the short way to go to the runway. People, if you don't know IDK is, I is for I, D is for don't, K is for no, okay? Look at my top one of my most favorite airline. It's a Legionnaire. Because I love that airline so much. Because I can fly for free with this airline. It's the Legionnaire. Right over there. Whoops. Right over there. That engine. That tail. Also, I saw Southwest Airlines parking there. Let's go. Let's go. Woohoo. I have to show my son, because he is my son and I love him so much. It's my best of, this is my best toy. Now he's looking on the window. Have you played Among Us? Like and subscribe if you play Among Us. Going to be fine. We're going to Houston first. IDK if we're going to stay here in the plane or not. So we'll see, alright?